Gophers, gophers, gophers. There's gophers everywhere. Everybody become a gopher. Hey everybody, this is the Side Hustle Survivalist. I'm glad you're here. Hit that like and subscribe button. Also share. We also have a new email. You can reach me at bud@side-hustlesurvivalist.com. So, all right. Hey, I want to talk to you today. I have a piece of paper because I want to tell you, if you want to be a gopher, this is how you become a gopher. What is a gopher? So if you're an individual who has no skills whatever, but you have good work ethic, you show up, you do what you say you're going to do, and you're a hard worker, well then a gopher is the perfect job for you. So what is a gopher? Well, a gopher is a person to go for this, go for that, go for this, and that's what they call you in the workplace, a gopher. So if you have no skills, first thing you need to do, you go to a trades company and or a single owner business. Don't go to a big corporation type business. You want to try to find single owner businesses. This could be anything like a construction company, a trades company, a plumber, electrician, window washers, a lawnmower company. That's a single owner company. So I made a list of what would a gopher do. So a gopher may want to be asked to wash the windows, okay? So whenever the workers come back in, their windshields are dirty, you wash their windshields for them. They don't like to do that. Whenever other workers come back in, maybe the back of their truck or vehicle is all messed up, and they ask you to clean up the back of the vehicle. So you're cleaning, you're doing labor tasks. The other thing that you can do is on tools. You may have to clean their tools. If it's a tree cutting business, then they may want their chainsaws sharpened, and they'll show you how to do that, and then teach you how to sharpen their chainsaws, or make sure all their equipment is gassed up and oiled. If it's a lawn mowing business, you can get a job as pushing a lawnmower, or even at a single-owned business or trade company. They don't like to get out there and mow their own lawns and do all that, or wash their windows, or even sweep the floors inside the shop. So, because they're there to do a business to make money at, and that is something that takes up their time, takes them away from making a profit. But then that's where you step in with a good work ethic and you say, I'm the gopher, I'm your guy to do all of the stuff that you don't want to do. Another thing that gophers can do, if you're old enough and you have a driver's license and you're trustworthy, that may take a little while, they may have you run products from store to store, maybe like an O'Reilly's, taking parts to a auto store, along those lines. What else does a gopher do? Well, about anything. You build up, and the thing is that to be a gopher, the key is your personality. The key is your work ethic. If you go in there with a blasé attitude and they say, can you sweep the floors? Yeah, I guess so. No, become a team player. This is your whole goal, is that you're going to use this, my gopher position, as a step up to the next position, to the next position. And it's all because you're a team player. And I have seen it time and time again. A guy that has come onto a job site and or into a company that he just wants to be a gopher. He started out sweeping floors or washing the windows or the walls. Just what a lot of us would say, menial tasks. Well, those menial tasks, he did it with pride and he did it with good work ethic, and he developed, and those guys usually are noticed by other companies. They're like, man, that guy's always really busting his butt to work, and man, we need a guy like that on our team. And then they get promoted in same company, or somebody comes along and sees them working and they say, hey, I want that guy. I myself personally have done this, have been to some companies and I saw a guy who's just really busting his butt, and I don't even know if he was making minimum wage, but I said, man, that kid's got some work ethic. And so I went and talked to him. I said, hey, why don't you come work for me? Because I need somebody like you. I need somebody like you with your personality and your work ethic. And they came on board, I paid them more, and then they actually became one of my superintendents of my company. So That's how you get out there. That's how you have to grind. And sometimes it's hard. Sometimes you got to get down into the muck and the dirt and the mud and do those menial tasks to keep rising. And the cream rises to the top, everybody. Remember that. If you're the best in the herd, you're going to rise to the top. Somebody's going to notice that, and then you're going to go to the next level. So become a gopher if you need to. If you don't have a job or you need to try to find a side hustle, Gopher's the way to go. Just remember, gopher, gophers, gophers, gophers everywhere. All right, everybody. God bless. Take care. Hit that like and subscribe button. And thank you for your time.